Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Cabify. To get started with Cabify and hail a ride right from your mobile device, the first thing to do is to get signed up with Cabify. So to do that, make sure that you download this application from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Once you've completed the download process, launch the app open by tapping on the app icon. Now, once you come across this first interface, you can now select one of the options to get signed up with. You can continue signing up with your Google account by selecting Continue with Google. You can also use your Apple ID by tapping on Continue with Apple and following through the prompts. To sign up with your mobile phone number, tap on Access with mobile phone number. If you select mobile phone number, select your country code from the first drop-down and type in your mobile phone number on the next field. Once you are done, tap Continue. Enter your verification code that you will receive shortly on your mobile number. Once you type it down, you will be prompted to enter your email. Make sure you type in your email address in the text box and make sure to type in the email that is accessible by you. Once you are done, tap Continue. Enter your first name and then your last name on the next page. And then tap Continue once again. Enter your password that you will need to access your account securely and tap on Continue. Now, enable location permission so that you can find available vehicles near you. And that is how you will be able to create a new account or sign up for Cabify. You can now go ahead and hail a ride. Request for a cab ride by entering your destination and your pickup location and then make your search. After you select your destination, tap Continue and you will be able to see a list of ride requests for you that you can accept and then get to your desired location. So that is how you will be able to sign up for Cabify in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.